Hey everyone, we find it very hard to believe that as of this airing, we are about 5 months away from the TapRooT Global Summit, June 14th through the 18th in Knoxville, Tennessee. We are so excited. We're really excited. It's in our hometown, and Ken Reed is with me today, and we're going to talk about how to come to the summit and divide and conquer it. And you do that by bringing a team. Ken, welcome.
Hey, thanks, Benna. It's great being here.
Well, can you believe how soon the summit will be here?
I know we were talking earlier. It's like it's almost scary. It's coming up so quick.
It is,
and exciting because we get the chance to see people we haven't seen since March of last year.
Yeah.
So we're really excited to get this going and get everybody together again.
We absolutely are. And one of the things that sometimes is a misconception with companies is sometimes they think that it's only for certified instructors to come to the summit, and that is not the case at all.
Absolutely not. No, they have to come, but in fact, you don't even have to be TapRooT trained to come to a summit. You know, you can be anybody who has an interest in performance improvement is welcome to come to the summit.
And you could get TapRooT trained in the first 2 days of the pre-summit.
There you go. By the time you leave, you'll be TapRooT trained.
Exactly. It's actually a perfect event. It's a very, one of the things I love about it is all the stuff that you can get in that week, including, like you said, if you come and you're not TapRooT trained, you can come TapRooT trained, then spend the rest of the week networking and learning best practices from people who've been doing TapRooT for a while. And it's the economic value, the return on your investment on that week is just amazing. It's just insane how great it is and how much value comes out of it. Well, Ken, talk a little bit about why you want to bring a team to the summit.
Yeah, so obviously you can come by yourself if you wish, but we have so many different tracks out there. We have 6 tracks, is that right?
Yeah.
Of information out there. You can only see so much as an individual. So one of the great opportunities you have if you bring a team is to kind of sit down ahead of time. We'll give you a great schedule so you can figure out what you want to see and what you're interested in, and then you can just all decide which ones we want to go see. And it gives you a great opportunity to almost multiply your effects out there by having several people go to different things, especially the ones that you're interested in. And maybe you're not interested in this one, but your buddy is. Well, they can go to that one and come. No matter which one you go to, you're going to come away with some really good information. So,
well, and those advanced pre-summit courses, those are great to go and divide and conquer as well, because there's always some really great topics.
Yeah, so the first 2 days of the summit are the pre-summit courses, and obviously you can only go to one of those at a time as a single person. So yeah, you split yourselves up and get a great opportunity to learn equipment troubleshooting and at the same time investigation techniques. You know, so it's a nice opportunity to do that.
And there's all kinds of 2-day pre-summit courses people can choose from, and they can go to our website, taproot.com/summit, and you'll be able to find out all of the pre-summit courses and all the tracks that we have, because there's just so much. I mean, it's amazing how many different things there are for companies to come away with.
That's right. Yeah. Plus, you also have an opportunity, you know, if you bring a team, if you wish, and let us know ahead of time. We should be able to get some time and set that aside for you. And if you need to maybe take an hour in there and have maybe your annual safety department's meeting where you get all your senior people together, they can all come to the summit, and then we can set some time aside for you to get together and make that your annual meeting if you wish to do that. So,
absolutely.
Yeah, it works out really nice.
A really good time to do that is before the last day, because we do that implementation roadmap session on the last day. And if you've gone through the pre-summit and the summit with your team and you all want to come together and we can get a room for you to meet in, then you all could get together and start working on what you want to implement by the time you get back home. And then when we get in that last session, they're able to, we're going to help you put it in a roadmap for you so that when you get home, you're ready to go.
You're going to have a step-by-step plan,
Yeah.
And you're all on the same page because you've been there together. You don't have to try to get everybody in one place. You've already done it, so it makes the implementation much easier of all the data that you put together. So yeah, it's a wonderful opportunity if you can get a team together. Yeah,
it is absolutely. We have lots of companies do it every year, so
We do.
Sent a ton of people.
We had what 10 or 12 from several companies that showed up all as teams. So it makes it so much more fun too. You're all together, and sometimes maybe after all this stuff is over, it's about time to get out and get together a little bit. So it's a nice opportunity to do that. So. And
June in Knoxville is a wonderful time of year.
It's about the perfect time. It doesn't get hot yet by June. The weather's just really nice. You get down to Market Square, later on in the evening after the summit, and it's just perfect weather at that time. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Ken, so much. If you want more information about our TapRooT Summit, go to our website, taproot.com/summit. We are registering now. I believe, let's see, did early bird registration end already, or is it going to the end of the month? It may be going to the end of the month. I'm not sure. I'll double check. Yeah, I'll double check on that. But registration is going on now. We are so excited. June 14th through 18th. For more information, just follow us on all of our social media platforms. We're going to be rolling out more videos about what you can expect in the tracks and the advanced PreSummit courses, so you know what to register for. You can change your schedule up to the last minute if something you all of a sudden hear about something that you want to participate in that you didn't hear about before. So don't worry about getting locked into anything at the very beginning if you want to go ahead and register. Ken, thank you. Can't wait for the summit. It's going to be great. Everybody give Ken a 2 thumbs up if you enjoyed him telling you about why you need to bring a team to the summit, and just let us know if have you registered yet? Are you getting ready to register? Because we're planning, aren't we?
Yeah,
we're ready for people to come to Knoxville. It really is.
All right,
well, everybody, thanks, Ken, and
looking forward to seeing everybody.
Yep, and hit the notification bell to learn about more videos that we have coming up, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you back here next time. Thank you.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.